I'm moving now to Our Lady. The Rosary group went further up the hill and I'm going to go over here to Our Lady directly. Nobody there, but maybe I'm lucky and I meet some Spanish friends over there, which should be there as far as I understood, German Spanish friends. Let's see that, because there's a German Spanish group here in Medjugorje, friends of mine, and it seems that they are over here. Let's go over there. It's around 5 o'clock in the morning. If you want to see, I went up with the group who's praying the Rosary, and they're going further up the road, but I wanted to go to Our Lady and surprise the group, Spanish German group, who are praying over there silently. Look at that, they're really there. Couldn't believe it. Some of them made it. Isn't that beautiful to be at 5 o'clock in the morning with Our Lady? I leave you now alone. Subscribe to the channel, share the video, that other people can also see the beauty of Medjugorje and Our Lady here on Apparition Hill.